Most AI designs still look generic because there's no system behind them. Google just open source design.md to fix that. And this changed everything from AI slop to premium design using the right reference and design system. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful design with Gemini 2.1 Pro. Now in Figma, we can build a full website directly. I have been using this AI model for a past few weeks with different tools, and I'm going to show you how to apply the same workflow, process, and technique with Figma. So let's get into it. We need three things: full landing page image, a PRD, and design system. If you don't have a design system in Figma, you will need a design.md. A design.md is just a design system written in text that AI can read. It helps AI design like a real designer instead of guessing. It tells AI about color, fonts, component, spacing, layout, and effect. And if you are a beginner and don't know how to create one, I got you. Go to Google Stitch, then open the Design MD section. You will see full website for Design MD. AI is actually the magic tool behind the component I was using before. So you're going to start seeing a lot of really impressive AI components. It's actually hard to find a full landing page image. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so if you have a website that you like and you want the full page image, you can use Aura Build. You don't need to subscribe, just type the website URL and click import. And from there, it will generate a full landing page image and also a design MD5. Another option is to capture it manually. For example, I'm gonna take this one. So right click and go to inspect, then press Command Shift and P and type screenshot and select capture full size screenshot, and that's it. You get the full landing page. In my case, I'm going to use a screenshot from one of my AI design that I create in Aura Build and try to reproduce it here. So next step, think about your project. What kind of website do you want to build? Before jumping into design, we need to create something called a PRD, which is Product Requirement Document. It's basically a some document that explains your project. It includes what the product is, who it's for, what feature or section you need, and how everything should work. Think of it as a guide for the AI so it know exactly what to build. Once you have everything ready, you PRD, you design system, and your full landing page image, we can jump into Figma Make and attach all the file. I also create a structured document, but honestly, it's not necessary because everything is already inside the PRT, so you don't really need it. Now for the prompt, you can type something like create a landing page for your brand name, describe your product. In my case, is a creative studio for digital product called Creative. I know I'm not very original with the brand name. Then tell the AI to follow the PRD and the design system file. And most importantly, ask it to reboot the image exactly. This part is very important. You want the AI to match the same structure as the reference image first. So it's going to be like the wireframe. So don't try to be creative yet. If you already have a Figma design, you can also bring it here and prototype. If you already have a design system in Figma, go for it. Or you can create a UI kit. That could be interesting and I will cover it in another video. Then for the model, you can choose default. On the free plan, you get 500 credit per month, and the professional plan give you 3,000, and each generation usually costs around 28 to 70 and more credit depending on the complexity. But I will use Gemini 2.1 Pro. Figma doesn't show the exact cost for each step, So it's hard to track precisely. And general model like Claude tend to consume credit faster than the default model. The tool I was using worked like one prompt is one credit. So it's easier for me to know how many credit I have used. You can also check your AI balance and the setting at the top left. And if I expect to get a decent result with just one prompt with AI, the key is always to iterate, and refine. Not bad for a first result, right? I already tried without an image and without a design MD, and it was way too generic. So I'm going to add an image for inspiration and ask the AI to recreate a dashboard below the arrow section. Also, don't forget when you use someone else's images, you need to change the content. The brand name, the text should not be the same. And of course, the style should be different. That's why design.md is so important. And after that, I can try with another different design MD just to see how easy it is to change the design system. I'm going to use the edit tool, select what I want to change, and here I will try without image, just a detailed prompt. And the detailed prompt, I use ChatGPT to help me write the prompt. So I have a video where I explain how to create detailed prompt. You can watch it, learn how to do it, and then use AI to correct you and to make it more detailed. My English is not perfect, and sometimes I just write in French and let AI translate it into English for me and create a more detailed prompt. Pretty good with a detailed prompt, but you really need to be good at prompting and think like a designer. It's actually easier to use an image. Also, if you want to refine it manually, you can just copy the design and bring it into your Figma project. And while I was waiting for Figma Make to generate my UI, I was creating new component on new from. This is honestly my secret recipe, and I'm going to make a video to show you how I create my arrow animation. This tool make it very easy to build UI and motion, especially with Gemini 3.1 Pro and design.md. Alright, so I'm going to cheat a bit because the key to my result is this tool. I'm going to copy the code and bring it into my project. I already have my own design system, but I'm going to try the one from the new from to see if there's a difference with the result. The component look way more polished with no from. I can create very nice result easily without forcing it. And to keep everything consistent, I want to use the same header section across all the section. All right, so very good. But some section have gray background and other are black. I'm going to fix that. I want everything black and also add more space between the header section and the content. Okay, wait, let me check at my AI balance. Okay, phew, I still got AI credit left. So in this case, I'm going to keep using Gemini 3.1 Pro. Okay, so let's try new from design.md and apply it to my design. Maybe the result will be better. Oh, so this is much better. So my design, it's become more and more polished compared to before. So what's left now is adding interaction, motion, and arrow background. So we can use the from to create the arrow animation with WebGL or Unicorn Studio. I'm going to use a motion background I create on the from and bring it into my Figma Make project. But I don't want the full structure of this section, so make sure to mention, keep the actual arrow section and only add the motion background. And that's it. Then you can publish your Figma Make project and share the URL with others. I'm going to keep working on this project a bit more before publishing it to the community. Now all that's left is to add interaction to your landing page. I hope you like the result and don't hesitate to polish it even more. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next section. Bye.